Hello guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a issue on Facebook. You are not able to send friend request to your friend. For example, when you are on a Facebook and if you know your friend, but when you're going to click add a friend, it's coming this kind of option, can't send request. It looks like you might not know this person and this kind of etc. What you have to do is just take the screenshot of that, click OK, go back, and as you can see over here, 3 lines, click on that, and when you will scroll down, you can find over here report a problem, click on that, scroll down and continue a report a problem. You can click over here, you can select friend request. In friend request you can cut this, you can add a image right over here, and you can type over here, please fix my problem Facebook, and like that I will just type over here fix. You can write dear Facebook teams and more, and you can hit over here, and Facebook will look after that and your problem will be fixed. So guys, thanks for watching. It was a quick video. Leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video. Peace out, bye friends.